So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called GetUpside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called GetUpside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hey, are you here for Uber?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's your name?
Kevin.
And what's your driver's name?
Dylan, I think.
Yeah, you're good.
Cool.
How's it going, man?
It's going.
Are you all buckled up?
Yeah.
So how's your day?
It's not too good, so yeah.
Are you all right?
No, I'm not. Clearly I'm not, so I just don't want to talk, so yeah.
Should I play some music or something, or?
You can do whatever you want. Just drive. Can you drive any faster?
I can't. I'm just following the speed limit, so.
Oh, it's like 2 miles an hour? Come on, man.
No, this area is a residential.
Come on.
I have to follow the laws of the road, so. I'm probably gonna make like $3 on this ride, so I can't risk getting a ticket.
That's all you deserve, so that's what you get. Probably should have gone to college, bro.
I'm trying.
Well, you should probably start trying a little bit harder.
Oh, sorry. I actually don't allow any liquids in my car.
You're actually kidding me, right? Are you serious? You're like the freaking Uber police. Do whatever you want.
This is my car. Dude, no, sir. You're still drinking your drink?
You see this?
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
Dude, you need to.
I bought this with my own money because I went to college, not like you.
Okay, well, so. Can you just please not spill that on my car? This is a new car.
Sorry if it happens.
Okay, well, if you spill, I'm gonna charge you a cleaning fee.
Do whatever you want, man.
It's $100.
I can probably afford it, so I know if that happened to you, you wouldn't be able to. So.
Wow, are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious.
You know I can rate you at the end of the ride, right?
Oh my god, he's gonna rate me. Wow. Yo, what's up? Yeah, I'm on my way.
Are you talking to me or?
No,
sorry.
I'm not talking to you. I could probably stop by and get some drinks. Yeah. Yo, one sec. Yo, is it cool if you go to like a liquor store just to get some beers or what?
To get some beers?
Yeah.
Are you 21?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm kind of I have to be somewhere, so I was just gonna like take you there really quick and then
ruin my day? Yeah. Cool.
I don't really like get paid to like do detours or anything.
Dude, it's like probably across the street from the place, literally.
Yeah, sorry. I just don't feel comfortable like going.
I feel comfortable too.
Yeah, plus you can't drink alcohol.
I'm not gonna drink in here. It's for a party. No, I'm not talking to you. Hold on. One more second. Dude, I'm not gonna drink it here in the car.
Okay. Is it okay if I just drop you off? Maybe you can order another Uber, like to the liquor store.
Oh yeah. Let me just freaking order two, just so I can get it.
Or you said it's across the street. Maybe you could just walk there.
It wasn't actually across the street. Like, I'm just saying it's close by. Dude, come on. Seriously? You're not gonna just take me to get some beers? Really?
Did you just cancel?
No, I didn't. Why are you stopping?
You just canceled the ride.
I did not cancel the ride. Look at my phone, dude. I'm on home screen. I wasn't doing anything.
You just canceled the ride.
I didn't do
anything. Are you serious? And now you're denying it?
I'm not denying it, dude. Probably something happened with the freaking app.
You need to get out of my car.
I'm not getting out.
You just canceled the ride. You're pretty much a stranger in my car now.
Yeah, obviously I'm a stranger. You don't freaking know me.
Yeah, but you're not my passenger anymore. Can you get out?
No, just freaking take me. Come on, dude.
Can you please get out?
I'm not getting out. Why have we stopped? Can
This
you
is
just go?
This
I
is
paid.
illegal.
I already paid.
You're I don't approve of you being in my car. Can you get out?
No, I'm not getting out. Dude,
Get out. I'm gonna call 911.
I'll freaking call 911 right now.
Oh yeah, and they're gonna report you, dude.
What's that? 911 right there.
Yeah, call them. I'll wait all day.
I'm not leaving.
I'm gonna call 911. Can you please get out?
No, dude. Are you serious?
Take your Gatorade and get out.
Oh, this Gatorade you mean? Yeah, this one? Yeah, I'll drink it in your car as well.
Get out.
Oh, what are you gonna do?
Get out of my car.
I'm not getting out.
Can you? No.
I'm not getting out,
Get out
dude.
of my car.
I'm not getting out.
Get out. Are you serious?
Yeah. Freaking drive me, dude. Drive me.
I'm not moving. Can you please get out of my car?
I'm not getting out.
All right, I guess we're sitting here.
Alright.
All right, can you seriously get out of my car now? I'm not gonna wait all day. Are you serious? You want to wait here all day with me? You don't even.
I don't have freaking time for this nonsense.
Thank you. Thank you. Cool. Just slam my door.
You, dude.
You.
Dude.
You.
Serious?
Get the.
Screw you, bro.
Are you seriously?
Screw you.
Are you seriously
Yeah,
hitting me right now?
yeah.
You're serious.
Freaking take your
Dude,
out of
you, dude. Dude.